Grab your guppies and head for the reefs. Panic! It's the attack of the SpongeBob DVDs. Terror. Insanity.
Squidward, we're out of napkins!
No napkins! Over 25 DVDs of pulse-pounding sponginess. Including swarms of season box sets like Season 4, Volume 1, Season 4, Volume 2, and Season 5, Volume 1. And witness the sponge-tingling rampage of classic DVDs, including Lost in Time, Whale of a Birthday, Karate Island, Friend or Foe, Bikini Bottom Adventures, Atlantis, Square Pantis, and more! And look out for other SpongeBob DVDs coming soon!
DVDs are not actually frightening and will not attack you or go on a rampage. They are just tiny silver discs that you put into a DVD player that helps send you to your happy place.
And they're available now!
For the first time ever, Back at the Barnyard is available now on DVD. Action, adventure,
I'm Cowman!
screaming, more screaming, explosions, flying rats, dental hygiene, a rooster and a weasel doing the polka around a space monkey. Plus exciting special features. It's complete, utter insanity.
You had me at explosives.
Back at the Barnyard When No One's Looking is available now on DVD.
Get ready for magic and mayhem. Party Juju! For the first time on DVD, it's Tack and the Power of Juju. This DVD comes packed with spellcasting, Juju blasting, Poopanunu magic, and gigantic man-eating coconuts. Plus, you also get special Tack bonus features. You can bring the magic of the Jujus home. With Tack and the Power of Juju, The Trouble with Magic, available now on DVD.
I've always known that I would have to face the Fire Lord, but now I know I need to do it alone.
Everything you thought you knew about Avatar is about to go up in flames. Avatar Book 3 Fire is now on DVD. The collection heats up with volumes 1, 2, 3, and 4, including sizzling special features and an exclusive Avatar comic book, free with each volume.
I will never, ever turn my back on people who need me.
As Aang and his friends finally come face to face with the Fire Lord, one thing's for sure: the heat is on. Avatar Book 3 Fire, Volumes 1 through 4, and the complete Book 3 collection are available now.